Did Carrie Fisher really die from sleep apnea? Find out today on the Breathing Wellness Vlog. Welcome to the Breathing Wellness Vlog, a weekly video response to some of your questions about breathing, sleeping, and living a pain-free life. This week's question is, did Carrie Fisher really die from sleep apnea? This recent article posted on sleepapnea.org has received a ton of interest. It's titled, "Yes, You Can Die from Sleep Apnea. Carrie Fisher Did." I'll put a link to it in the description below, but to summarize, it discusses Carrie's medical conditions and why experts believe the cause of death was indeed sleep apnea. And perhaps even more alarming, it talks about how it's likely that Miss Fisher didn't even know she had sleep apnea. You see, it's estimated that over 22 million Americans have sleep apnea, with 80% of the cases of moderate and severe obstructive sleep apnea going undiagnosed. That means there are millions, probably like Carrie Fisher, who are living with this condition without getting any treatment for this potentially fatal condition. Fisher isn't the only celebrity to have died due to health problems related to sleep apnea. Look at this who's who list of sleep apnea sufferers who died of sudden cardiac death linked to sleep-disordered breathing. James Gandolfini from The Sopranos, comedic actor John Candy, Justin Tennyson from The Deadliest Catch, Grateful Dead frontman Jerry Garcia, President William Howard Taft, NFL player Reggie White. It's also worth noting that deceased Supreme Court Justice Anton Scalia may have died as a result of failing to turn on his CPAP machine to treat his sleep apnea. Again, you can read the full article at the link below. If you're unsure whether you or someone you love is suffering with sleep apnea or any other kind of breathing disorder, click the link below to schedule a free evaluation with one of our breathing specialists, and let us help you breathe better, sleep better, and live better. I hope you found this video useful. We'll see you next time.